Hey everyone, how you guys are doing with your seed, USEED, NID and NIFT preparation? And today's topic is all about entrepreneurs and their enterprises. By that I mean their companies. So today's video I'm going to talk about Indian entrepreneurs, famous Indian entrepreneurs with their famous brands which you all might have used. So you might get questions out of this. Let's begin without wasting further time. If you are new to my channel, I make content regarding all sort of design related fields, and if you are giving any of these design entrance exams, these things are going to be very important for you, like for seed, USEED, NID and NIFT. So they are focusing more about entrepreneurs and their enterprises. Last year we had many questions, 2-3 questions on them. So let's begin. So first one in my list is, you all might have known this person, the Oyo founder Ritesh Agarwal. His company deals with hotel chains Oyo, which aim to provide cheapest hotel with the best amenities that could possible for you. And all these entrepreneurs and enterprises I'm telling, you can go and study further about them, but at least knowing founder and their companies and little bit about it always helps you for your GK. So let's begin. Then second one is Ola Cabs. This was started by Bhavish Agarwal. So if you have used these cabs in all the metro cities and now in 2-tier cities as well, he founded the Ola Cabs, Bhavish Agarwal. And next one is Flipkart, where we buy the things from the one Indian company that is competing with Amazon. That's a great thing. So the founder of this company is Binny Bansal and Satish Bansal. Then Deep Karla, Make My Trip, where we use our bookings. I usually do my flight and train, all the bookings from Make My Trip itself in most of the cases. Deep Karla. Then Paytm, from where we pay our bills, most of the bills. Our Indian authentic digital transformation was founded by Vijay Shekhar Sharma. See, I understand, even I can't remember everything in one go, but I highly recommend you to watch this video again or make a list of this and memorize it within every 2 days, so it will help you. Okay, these sort of memorizing questions will be asked in one part of your exams. So I'm making all the contents for them, so please go through those. These will be common for all seed, USEED and NIFT and NID aspirants. So I'll highly recommend watching these. Then Paytm was founded by Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Then the Monk Entertainment. If you watch YouTube a lot, you would be knowing this person, the Ranveer Allabadia. So he's one of the youngest Indian entrepreneurs currently who is working in the field of social media, right? He's a social media influencer, and he founded this company for YouTubers who get brands and brandings from YouTube. So he manages YouTube brandings. The next one in the list is Serum Institute. The Cyrus Poonawalla founded this company. And if you know the way we vaccinated in India, most of the people got vaccinated from Covishield, which belonged to Serum Institute, right? So this is the founder is Cyrus Poonawalla. Then Dukaan is a recently emerging company. It's an app basically which help you to put your store in their app. It was founded by Sumit Shah, one of the youngest Indian entrepreneurs, you can say, and he made an amazing job. Please go and study about this if you're interested, or if you are interested in startups and startup stories. All these are very, very important, right? Things for you, I must say. Then this one is my favorite entrepreneur. He's a serial entrepreneur, Cred founder Kunal Shah. So he has a company called Cred, which deals with credit card transaction, where you get rewarded for having good credits. Then with the emerge of COVID, we have heard this name like everywhere in the market, the Byju's, which is a online e-learning app, and founder of this is Biju Ravindran. Next one is where we get our groceries from. It's Big Basket. The main founder is Hari Menon. It also has co-founders. So Big Basket, Hari Menon. Then Zerodha, which is a company that deals with stock market exchange, and it was founded by Nitin Kamath, one of my favorite entrepreneur. So study about these companies, study about these people if you are interested in startups and startup world. But this is also important for your seed and USEED exams. Then Nykaa was founded by Falguni Nair, and it was converted into Nykaa Fashion by his son Advait Nair. So as per your options, you have to choose the answer. Then next one is Intex Technologies. This is a smartphone company that deals with the electrical products, like making smartphone accessories like chargers, earphones and all. So you might have known this Intex with they provide chargers for all sort of chargers. If you lose your charger and if you want to buy a cheap charger for a few days, then many people will go for this one, Intex. And this company was founded by Narendra Bansal. And if you want me to make some case study sort of things for all these things, please let me know in the comment section. And if you are gaining any information with the videos, please hit the subscribe button and like the video and share with your friends. Next one is where we order food from, that is Zomato, right? And Swiggy again, I understand, but Zomato is one of the first company. Then it was founded by Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadha. And I know I have left few more companies. I'll be getting them to you in upcoming videos. And you can tell on the comment section what were again few famous entrepreneurs and enterprises. So hope this video helped you. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. It's free.